Excuse me, I've got a few notes here. I can't remember anything these days. There's a strong demand for advocacy to support vulnerable older people in Carmarthenshire, as not all have supporting families or access to information in the way they can understand. So Age Cymru Cigars Help to Be Heard advocacy project goes a little way to meeting the demand for help and support that Carmarthenshire older residents need and want. It is funded by the Big Lottery Fund, and it aims to support older people have a voice. It's great to see Age Cymru Cigar move into new, larger offices so that they can expand the services and support they provide to the Carmarthenshire's older residents. I'm delighted to help to promote the location of the new office so that many more people can access information, advice and other services. Please feel free to look around the offices here. I've just been there myself to see what the charity does and to join in with any activities on offer. That's throughout the day, I think.